Hi, this is Charity, and the purpose of this video is to show you what happens if you have recs in an activity. So let's give our student the code for an activity with recs. So we've assigned that. If we push this out to Google Classroom, the student would come straight here, or we could just have them log in and then give them that code. Let's have them get started on the activity. So the students are going to see this activity, they see the pictures, they can read about it, and they can see their independent variables that they have control over. And let's move in here. So this is a different kind of hypothesis creator than we've looked at before. This generator lets the students just choose the options that they would like to go with. So investigate what affects the spreading rate at the divergent boundary. Also notice this is a dependent variable focused goal. We don't actually give the student the independent variables. So I just have to say, what do I think? So I think that, let's just pretend, I think that the plate type impacts the spreading rate at the divergent boundary. And that's going to cause a change. So I'm ready to run my experiment. If I change the plate type, then the spreading rate will change. Sure. Okay. So I'm going to run my trial. This is my control. Okay. And now I'm going to pretend to be a student. Let's just change as many things as we possibly can all at the same time, just so we can see what happens. Okay. Oh, Rex pops in. That's because Rex is turned on. He says, I think that the data you're collecting won't help you test your hypothesis because you aren't designing a controlled experiment. Well, that's kind of true. Okay, so let's go back. Yeah, he says, I need to change only the plate type and keep all the other variables the same. Okay, so I just read that, so I'm only going to change plate type. Run my trial. Huh. Well, it turns out that plate type has no impact on my spreading rate. All right, so, interesting. Okay, so if I change the plate type, then the spreading rate will not change. And that refutes my hypothesis. My hypothesis was not correct. I'm only going to choose these two because these are the ones where I only changed my plate type. And I can see here that my spreading rate did not change. So I'm done. And this is the point when I would go ahead and type in my claim, evidence, and reasoning. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. I hope you enjoyed seeing a lab with Rex.